out later, you know. Want to start or me or what? Or we're gonna do that?
Today's episode is brought to you by
Mountain Lightning. Mountain Piss.
Yep.
Mountain Dew. Knockoff.
Yeah, and as you know, always this is Dem-Adie, and that is.
I'm Crackerjack. This is the IDGAF show, which, for those who do not know how to abbreviate, it stands for I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a fuck. Yes. Eventually, we're gonna make a video where.
Yeah, we're working on
the midget will be in it, you know.
We're working on getting that midget out of his damn cave to come show his ass back up on camera.
Besides his little angry midget that's totally spelt completely wrong.
Yeah, angry. Angry.
Yeah, he's angry.
I guess he was trying to emphasize it being extra angry, perhaps. Not sure about that one.
Maybe, I don't know. I think at least you could have just put the more R's in it instead of the E.
Right? Just angry. You know, just a couple R's, you know?
To give it the
right?
Or put a G instead of the E, you know? So it would have been like angry.
Angry. You know? Angry. Oh, dude, I can't do it. Like, no, it's angry. There's no E, Demi. We love you, but there's no E. Sorry, bro.
No.
Probably should have told you in person instead of in this video, but you know what?
I think it'd be more funny.
This is funnier. And you still love us. If not, well, that's why you're the angry midget, so.
Yep.
Cheers to that. Just saying.
So what are your thoughts on that whole fucking thing on Facebook?
Talking about
dogs
fucking cops shooting dogs and shit.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah, dude. And that's kind of got me pretty pissed off, dude. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm like a hardcore animal rights activist or anything like that, but I do love animals. You know, dogs, cats, squirrels, chipmunks, skunks, spiders, snakes, whatever, dude.
I love all animals and all living things as long as they ain't trying to fuck with me.
Exactly. Like, you seen that just the other night. You know, there was a spider in the house and everything, and I was like, what type of fucking spider is that? It came out my face, like, well, hold up now. You know, I just want to look at you. Don't want no trouble, you know? And then I seen it was running loose, so I killed it. They're poisonous.
Right.
Deal with it.
Right, I'm telling you, I don't want nothing in my house. Nothing that's poisonous in your house when you're sleeping. You know,
right.
Well, if I come out and bite you in your ass when you're sleeping.
Exactly. And then you wake up and your ass is halfway rotted off. Hell no, I don't want to deal with that. You know?
Right, you won't bear shit no more.
Right. And so I'm like, well, damn, I got two assholes. That sucks. Kind of cool, but no bueno.
Right, no, it's not.
But no, like, fucking, seen the other day that fucking a cop in Malvern, Arkansas, was answering a 911 call about a guy getting shot and killed, and fucking he came over to the house and fucking straight just bam shot the dog because it was a pit bull. It was like, what the fuck, man? It's like, okay, I get it. Everyone thinks pit bulls are vicious and everything, but dude, no, they're not.
No, it's not how they're trained.
It's on how they're trained and the owners, how the owner treats them, which is why I'm all against animal abuse.
Oh, definitely.
Like, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I'll smack my dog. You know, bob them right in the nose. Don't do that. Rub their nose in their piss or shit or something. Spank their ass. Let them know, hey, this is where you're supposed to shit or whatever. You know.
Charlotte.
Train them to that's how you house train them. You know, some people use newspapers, some people use their own hand. Like right now, Charlotte's got something in her mouth.
Come here, girl.
She's chewing on something.
Come here, Charlotte.
Like, clear as day.
Come here, girl. Come here, look at.
But even still.
No, look at this dog. Does this dog look like it's a vicious dog?
Right.
Even though she's not a pit, she's an American bully.
American bully, 100%. Got papers prove it. Yep. Not a pit. I know they look similar, but they're not a pit bull.
No, she looks way better than the people I think personally.
Yes.
And she is blue. She's gorgeous. She's colorful. Yeah.
This is the mascot, by the way, for us for the show.
She just gave me kisses and everything.
Just kidding. No, she's not the mascot. She's actually, I would say, she's kind of my dog and the wife's dog, but the wife claims her more, so it's kind of the wife's dog. It's,
and my dog too, because she loves me. Anyway. Okay, yeah, Charlotte, I love you. Oh my God, you're just staring at me. It's like, we're doing the show, girl.
Actually, we can't lie. We actually did a spell and this happened to the angry midget.
Yeah, this is really Demi. Wait, does that mean I just kissed Demi? You faggot.
And you liked it.
You're not Demi. No. There was no spell. No homo. Little homo. For all you fans out there, especially my girlfriend, you know who you are. That's right. No names will be mentioned. Y'all don't need to know.
We don't mention names on this show, by the way. Don't worry about that too much.
I will refer to her as Cat, and that is as far as I'm going, or Sally, but mainly Cat.
But if you're friends with him on Facebook, you probably know who she is then.
Yeah, if you're friends with me on Facebook, you know exactly who she is, but to be friends with me on Facebook, you have to know my real name. Ha ha. Anyways.
And his name ain't really Cracker.
No.
Nope. Name is not really Cracker. It's not Cracker. It's Townhouse. My real name's Townhouse. And I'm not really a leprechaun, I'm a Keebler elf.
Can't you tell? What about that? What about these religious people?
Oh God, religion. Oh, such a great topic. So many people are afraid of religion. Why are you afraid to talk about it? Don't be afraid. It's your beliefs. Talk about it, dude. Just don't shove it down people's throats. That's all I gotta say.
Right, Sam, that's what I said.
I'll talk about any of them. I'll talk about Muslim, Judaism, Taoism, Buddhism, Catholicism. I can't remember the proper word for that, so forgive me. Protestant, Wiccan. I'll talk about them all. I have no problem. I'll even talk about voodoo. That's not even a religion. That's just a way of life and a practice. Which, okay, it kind of is a religion in a way, but it's not.
The thing I have across the side thing, it's not really across the thing, kind of confuses me, but is Jewish.
Jewish? What confuses you about Judaism? I will gladly help you out as much as I can.
I'm always under the impression that, like when they say Jewish people, that's a nationality.
Yeah, well, no, okay. What that is the Jewish, there's Jewish religion, and then there's the Jews, which was actually the Hebrews. It's just modern day society has kind of been dumbed down and slightly ignorant. I'm not saying everyone is. I'm just saying it's being taught that way to where the Hebrews have been reduced down to being called Jews because in the Bible, you know, the Hebrews who were enslaved were Jewish religion because that's what most Hebrews are, but not all Hebrews are Jews. Some are actually Muslim. I happen to actually know an Israeli guy who is Jewish. So, you know, and he was actually born in Germany. So, you know, it's so diverse nowadays culturally that you can't really just call people Jews and, you know, be talking about one specific race. Because it's not a race, it's a religion. And it's a common misconception. I completely know where you're coming from, but no, they're actually Hebrews. Hebrews is the Jewish people.
Alright, I get it now.
But, you know, I mean...
The other thing I don't understand to them when they talk about, like, Christianity, basically, they talk about you got God sent down...
God sent down his only begotten Son to forgive us, to die for our sins and forgive us, and we shall be washed and cleansed with his blood. Yes.
Yeah, all that.
All that jazz.
Ancient Greek, ancient Rome, all these...
Yep, the Greek, the Roman, and the Norse.
Mythologies.
Mythologies. Fucking whatever. They're religions. They're not mythologies.
Right? Or the same way, though. You know, they had a one main god that sent down the sun.
Right. I want to say that it's the Greek that was Zeus who sent Hercules, which I know there's Disney movies and whatnot about it, but that was actually a real religion back in the day that has been reduced down to mythology due to Christianity, you know. But they sent, you know, Hercules was sent down to Earth, and basically the same concept as Jesus. And then I want to say it's the Norse. Yeah, Norse was Odin was the one that reigned supreme and was the one god that ruled over all. And his son, Thor, I believe it was the one that came down to Earth. However, the difference with that one is he had a brother named Loki. And that's where people start getting confused and say, oh, well, it's not the same, you know, it's mythology because, you know, Jesus didn't have a brother and all this other jazz. What it is ignorance. In all honesty, that's how I feel. Y'all might feel differently. Again, like I said at the beginning, you know, religion is a hard topic to talk about because so many people feel so passionate about it that they won't be as willing to listen about other religions. Me personally, I've sat down and actually personally gone through, talked to different people, different religious people, and actually gone to different religious churches and studied them online myself, and actually put myself into those, religions and study them. And
Look at the dog just brought me.
right, the dog's low,
Right.
whoop whoop,
Right.
all the way.
She represents Twisted. She's the big, She didn't bring nothing else but Twisted. I throw it out there.
Right.
Actually, I think we got what's today's date? Like 20 something, 23rd, something like that. Whatever today's date.
23rd, 24th, some shit like that. I don't know. Your
Well,
calendar just popped up, bro.
I don't like my kid wasted.
It
But whatever.
happens.
Don't forget, in the end of the month, I think the 30th or whatever it is, they got their new album dropping.
Yeah, new Twisted album dropping end of the month. Check it out. Go buy it. We'll promote them. Fuck it. We'll do it for free. I ain't fucked up about it.
Right.
It's great music. You know.
Something that I found out today that I found out
What's that?
about mythology and all that stuff with the Greek. It's only with the Greek and Roman. You know, there are a lot of their guys are actually are classified as zodiac signs.
Yep. The Roman gods were actually I can't remember if they were named after the planets or the planets were named after them. I can't quite remember, so I won't say yay or nay either way. All I know for sure is the Roman gods and the planets have the same names. And whichever planet's the biggest, which I'm not big on Scientology, which is another religion that I forgot the name earlier. The biggest planet was the one that ruled supreme. It was the name of the god that ruled supreme, I should say.
Rome is the planets. Roman gods are named after them.
Okay. I can't remember if they were named after planets or the planets were named after them.
No, they're named after the planets.
Okay.
The Roman gods are. I know that because I was checking it out today because
Alright.
I'm an Aries.
Yeah.
And I'm actually there's a god named Aries.
Yeah.
And he's actually he's
okay. Well.
Mars.
Yeah.
And it's the god of war.
Yes. Yep. Absolutely. And then Venus, which was also known as Aphrodite in the Greek religion, or mythology, which is what it's technically called now.
Yep.
Quotations. Tell you I'm going to do it. Get used to it. Funny ears. And this, for all you deaf people out there, y'all know what this means. People that don't know sign language, this means fucking. This is sex. That's right. I call it Happy Bunny sex, but whatever. Anyways, I digress. What was I saying? Shit. I fucked myself up. Yes, what you're saying. Okay, yeah. Aphrodite and Venus is the goddess of love. Aries and Mars, god of war. Uranus and Neptune and Poseidon was god of water, or god of the sea, god of the ocean, basically god of water. You might as well just cut it at that, because the earth is mainly water, so there's water fucking everywhere, except for in the desert, which I guarantee if you dig deep enough, you'd probably find water. Or just find a cactus and there's water in there. You can survive.
Right?
Staring at me, people.
What are you looking at?
I don't like it, man. They're staring at me. Making me uncomfortable.
Remember the like button.
Like this shit, yo. Do the Steve-O impression. The like button needs to look like this. In all honesty, I'm going to write somebody about this. Write them a letter. A hardcore letter. It should be this long. Wait, hold on. There you go. That way I know you can actually see it. It should be this long of a letter. Type this small. This small. Smallest font as I can get. Type this fucking long. It should be 5 pages long. Saying that the like button should look like this. And if it doesn't happen, I might cry a little bit. But at the same time, it's whatever. I'll just keep doing the Steve-O look until someone catches on with it. It's going to become a thing, along with the quotations. Because quotations are awesome. Woohoo! Finger sex. Anyways, damn, I should have had my boobs. Maybe in a later episode. Y'all see what I'm talking about. Got a laughing camera and shit in this episode.
Right?
We've had talking floors.
Talking floors was a Dem-Adie show.
Well, that was back during the Dem-Adie show days, but whatever. had talking floors, you know, other shit. So, you know, we just have random things going on, guys. Y'all love us, though, because we are so random and we're just crazy and we just talk about some weird shit. My voice went a little bit. I don't know why, but I'm just doing it. And you like it. Deal with it. Like, share, subscribe. Remember, we don't give a fuck. Just saying.
Yeah, I think this video's been long enough though.
Yeah, it's pretty long. Fuck you guys. We don't care anymore. I'm just kidding. We love y'all. You know it.
Yeah.
I'm random. I'm sorry.
And like we said all the time, these are just our opinions.
If you don't like it,
We just don't give a fuck.
and fuck off.